Hi, Russ here. In the next video of our technical configuration series, now we're going to focus on ALTA Labs. So ALTA Labs is one of the premier Wi-Fi manufacturers that WayFi has been partnered with for quite some time. And we've really enjoyed working with them in this partnership. They're actually the only one right now that has a built-in native integration with WayFi Wireless. So congratulations. If you bought ALTA Labs equipment, it's a couple clicks away to get up and running and try out the service. And then if you'd like to start using the service and monetize it, I'm going to go through that as well because that requires some small additional steps just to register that traffic. So I'm logged into manage.alta.inc. We've just got a demo AP here, and we're just going to go in and show you how you configure Alta Boost. So Alta Boost is the native configuration. They can just click in here, add Alta Boost, and what this will do is add this to your config. It's really easy. You can say what sites you want it on, what colors or groups, if you use the color management system that they have. And this makes it very, very easy to get up and running with WayFi Wireless. Now, this will not enable paid traffic. For paid traffic, I'm going to go into that next. This gets you up and running with most of the carriers. There are carriers that require site registration, and that's going to require additional steps I'm going to go into. But this gets you up and running with over 250 carriers all over the world. Allows you to test out this service anywhere in the world. So this is a global service, which is fantastic. This makes it easy. So click. So literally that was one click to bring it here, another click, and congratulations. We've now got Alta Boost. This is now immediately live the second you turn this on. The nice thing about Alta Boost is that that's all that you had to do. Now, it doesn't work on all carriers that are out there. Works on a lot of them, but not all of them. And it cannot be monetized. So that's the thing about it. It's great to test it out, see how it works at your location, anywhere in the world. It's fast, it's easy, it's simple. It's how WayFi works. Next, I'm going to go into here. Let's say you're interested in getting paid traffic. So for any paid traffic, you're going to have to register the locations that you have out there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like here. So we're going to go and create a new Wi-Fi network. Name it WayFi Cellular Booster. Just like you may have seen me before in prior videos. Wi-Fi security is going to be enterprise. We'll give you a custom address for your organization, as well as a secret and ports to use. For network VLAN, make sure that you use a private VLAN, something that you just want guest traffic on. That's out of the scope of this video, but is always recommended. Regardless, we do restrict the traffic to internet only. You can see here our settings that we've got for fast roaming, transition. Make sure your DTM period is 3, otherwise devices get really upset here. WPA 3, can use that if you want something that's a little more secure, but it's we do also allow for wider compatibility with devices. So the other part here is going to be your NAS ID is going to be custom, and that's something we're going to work with you with to get that configured. So right here under RadSec, you see the power user settings. This is what we're going to work with you to just customize. Customize the servers. You can see a lot of the settings here for host APD, how those are configured under the hood. For those of you not familiar with power user settings, it's kind of that extra bit of control that you get. This allows us to really fine tune the connection quality, make sure that it's up to WayFi standards, as well as the carrier standards that we work with all over the world. So I'm going to scroll through a lot of these settings. Not going to go through every one, but key part of here, you can see a lot of these settings here, like all your RCOIs, roaming consortium IDs, are all set up here, as well as the networks that are going to be advertised. Domain names are also under in here. If you've seen some of our other configuration videos, you're going to be very familiar with these settings, as well as the global configuration template that we have on our website shows you pretty much these settings for everyone that's out there. There's going to be customized settings here, so these addresses and ports can be customized to use. Don't necessarily use what's here in this video today. There will be custom certificates provided as well with this. Again, when you work with our onboarding engineer, this is a one-time setup. You can use the same certificates for hundreds of thousands of sites out there that you like, if that's what you're looking for. After that, it's really pretty simple. You're just going to go ahead and can pretty much leave these as what you see here for airtime efficiency. This is what we recommend, as well as minimum connection strength. These can both be disabled because we're going to override them with our config here. And that's really it. Once you've got this set up, that's all that you have to do to be up and running with our cellular booster. that easy. That allows you to see how everything is running, how this works, and that's really what WayFi is all about. Make it simple, make it easy, make it WayFi. To schedule an onboarding with our engineers to utilize this today, go ahead to wayfirewireless.com, click book an onboarding. We'd love to hear how you'd like to use this technology to enable better connectivity for your clients and your customers, and also help you register your equipment that you have and unlimited locations so that you can turn this into a revenue stream today. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Have a good day.